Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. Also consider becoming a channel member. Channel members get custom emojis. They get members only videos that come out each week. And also, you're eligible to be entered into a giveaway once a month to win a free knife. All right, folks, in front of me I have a package that came today from NAFS, but it's not a NAFS knife. So let's show you what we got inside there. We'll get this little cutter out, cut this package open. This is a true unboxing. I have not opened this. So we get, as usual, you get your NAFS card that shows what they have in their lineup currently. You always get a lifesaver with NAFS, which is kind of cool. And then, of course, you get a, if I can get it up over here off the board, you get a NAFS sticker. Those are all cool. We'll get that out of the way. So what do we have here? We have a knife by CIVIVI. This is their new Slippy Sendy. So what this is this is the Sendy reimagined as a slip joint knife. So let's open this up and see what we got. All right. Let's cut that open. Let's pull it out of the box. As always, you've got your CIVIVI pouch. And let's open that up and see what we got. Real quick, as you open it, you've got your CIVIVI sticker. That's always cool. It's not a sticker, but a CIVIVI customer support on the back. Then you've got your product use and warranty information. We'll get that out of the way. Get this off the board. As always, you get your nice CIVIVI microfiber cloth. Then they have a CIVIVI catalog. So they throw a lot of stuff in their packaging. And that's kind of cool. And then we have, obviously, the knife. So this is pretty cool. This is a Ben Peterson design knife.
What is up, guys?
He designed the first Sendy. If you remember the Sendy, it was made to be an alternative to the Swiss Army knife. It had a toothpick in it and a tweezers. This doesn't have that. What this does have, though, is one, it comes with this leather lanyard attached to it. You've got these beautiful green micarta scales over a red liner or a maroon liner. Looks really cool. But this is a slip joint. Half stop. Pulled out right there. So this is a modern knife blended with a traditional knife. And there's Ben Peterson's maker's mark. That's awesome. You guys know I love Ben Peterson and his designs. Let's wipe that off. I actually just took this in, so the knife is cold, so you may wind up seeing condensation on the blade. But check that out. Great design right there. Just really attractive. You've got some minimal jimping on top. First impression, not impressed with the jimping. It's a little slick, doesn't grab my finger, and it's also not very big. Take a look at that. I would rather have a little bit longer jimping, a little bit bigger, and a little bit deeper so that it grabs. My finger just kind of slides on there. So that's the first thing that is a slight criticism. The blade shape I like. I like that a lot. Looks really cool right there. It's a clip point blade. You've got a nice nail nick that's very easy to access. So let's close this up real quick. You got that half stop. Walk and talk is pretty good. It's a very light pull. So if you don't have dexterity in your fingers or if you don't have nails, it's a very light pull. Now you can't really, well, you could pull it out a little bit and then you can grab it with both fingers. So very easy to deploy. Really nice lockup on that. Not that it's a lock, but snapping into place, holding real well. Just a quick note, folks. When I was so excited when I opened this up, I forgot to mention the blade steel. This is a Nitro V blade steel. So really awesome right there. All right, back to the video. So let's go over some stats on this. Let's get the ruler out And I got a new ruler because somebody online complained that my NAFS ruler that I was using is too short. So I got a bigger ruler. So there. I always aim to please the audience. All right. So we're looking at an overall length of just over 6.5 inches. We'll call it like 6.52 or so. Blade length on that is at 2. It's just full blade length there is just under 3 inches, a little bit under. It's like 3.8 inches, I would say. But the cutting length is slightly over 2.5. So not giant there. And your handle is going to be just about 3 3/4 or so, around there. So yeah, about 3 3/4, let's just call it. Weight-wise, it's really light. 1.66 ounces, they claim. So that's awesome. Now, what I like about this right away is there's enough of a sharpening choil there. You can sharpen this and get quite a few sharpenings out of it, especially if you're going to use this as a daily knife. I like the leather lanyard, the way it's wrapped on there. Really nice. I like the colorway. It's a very neutral handle. My only real complaint so far is that jimping. I wish it just had better jimping. Now let's put it through a slight cut test, obligatory cut test. So we'll do the paper test. Oh yeah, that's sharp. All right, so right out of the box, you see that's ridiculously sharp. So that's a great sign, which I expected. It's a CIVIVI, you know. And now let's get some paracord out here, because what cut test would be complete without paracord? All right, there we got some paracord. Ah, see? And that's the one thing about a sharpening choil. You can sometimes get your paracord caught in there. Look at that. Cuts right through it, no problem. We'll just give it another cut. Yeah, super slicey on that. We'll put it down. We'll cut across on the table. Wow, ridiculously sharp. All right, so my first impression of this knife is I like it. I always like to carry a slip joint. You guys see my Instagram posts. I carry a slip joint every day. And I think this will be making it into rotation. It's really lightweight. It's kind of a modern take. So I think they did a really good job. I like the design. I liked the original Sendy a lot. I wish they had allowed for a toothpick and a tweezers in this one. But they didn't. But that's okay. I really like the look of it. I like the feel of it. That micarta is really grippy. So overall, I think it's a very good knife. You know, like I said, just a minor complaint I have is about that jimping. But overall, I really like it. All right, folks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. Like I said before, consider becoming a member. All right. You guys know what I say at this point. Until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.